Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're going to begin by verifying eligibility and signing in. First, make sure your channel meets the partner program thresholds, subs, and watch hours, since Adsense linking requires monetization access. Once done, check your Google account and prepare bank and tax details. These speed up approval. Now, open YouTube Studio and navigate to the Monetization tab. Click the Start link to connect an Adsense account. Choose whether to use an existing account or create a new one. This kicks off the formal connection process. Next, you'll fill out the detailed Adsense form and link it to your channel. Choose whether to use an existing Adsense account or create a new one. If creating, enter your legal name, exact address, and preferred payment currency because these cannot be changed easily. Make sure you verify your phone number and identity if prompted, as that prevents payment delays. Complete required tax forms accurately, then add bank details for payments. Once submitted, Adsense will process the information and show a review status. Track it in your Adsense and YouTube account. Finally, confirm the connection and resolve any holdups. After submission, wait for Adsense approval and watch both YouTube Studio and your Adsense dashboard for status updates. Processing can take days. If your channel isn't monetized, inspect emails for policy or verification requests and follow instructions promptly. If linking fails, clear browser cookies, try an incognito window, or use another browser. Make sure your Google account name and Adsense details match exactly to avoid identity rejections. Once approved, enable monetization features and verify test payouts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.